Large intestine 8 is located on the thumb side of your forearm. To locate large intestine 8, bend your arm to about 90 degrees. Then put your finger on the tip of the elbow, right over here. Then move your finger towards the crease of your elbow. You will travel over a bony area. When you come off the bony area, you will be in a soft spot, like this. Now find the point that is the width of your hand below that. Right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is large intestine 8. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have an acupressure instrument called a SHIN, it might look like this. Now find and activate large intestine 8 on your other arm.